Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make onion miso soup. You always have onion in your kitchen, but I think most of you have never thought about putting it into miso soup. But actually, it's very popular ingredients to make miso soup here in Japan. Today I'm going to show you how to make it, and at the end of the video I will show you how I create a menu with this onion miso soup, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 1 onion, 4 tablespoons miso paste, dried wakame seaweed, it's about 5 grams, 2 teaspoons Dashi instant Japanese soup stock. Very simple. I'm cutting the onion first. Let's cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half and then slice. And let's just put it into the pot. Then 4 cups of water into the pot. Two teaspoons Dashi instant Japanese soup stock. Put the lid on and cook it over medium-high heat until onion is nice and soft. So I cooked it like 7 to 8 minutes and it looks like onion is all cooked. So it's time to add the miso paste. Let's put the miso in this miso strainer. And this miso strainer is not a must, but by using it, you can avoid having chunk of miso in your soup bowl. So just let's put it into the miso strainer and dunk the strainer into the pot and push out the miso paste. And right after you put the miso in here, you start to smell rich flavor of miso. And when you start to smell that, turn the heat off. No more boiling. Boiling will kill the flavor of miso. Then let's add wakame seaweed. Put the lid back on and give it a few minutes for wakame seaweed to rehydrate. Now, wakame seaweed is completely rehydrated, so let's serve it in a soup bowl. And onion miso soup is ready to go. Super easy. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The onion is so sweet and it's a nice balance with the saltiness of the miso paste. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Let's put the onion miso soup here and plain rice here. You can have whatever you like for the main dish, but how about gyoza, just because I'm craving for it now. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. For the other side dish, I want to have something green, so let's go for broccoli gomae. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!